What is parking mode and why do I need it? Parking mode recording is something that really makes premium dashcams stand out from more basic dashcams. Just as it is important to have a dashcam, a silent witness in your vehicle while driving, so too is it for surveillance while the vehicle is parked. Remember that an accident can happen at any time, and it's always the worst when the driver is away from the vehicle and there's no witness nearby. The ability to capture footage while parked can prove to be very useful. Parking mode recording is made possible by either hardwiring the dashcam to the vehicle's fuse box or through using a battery pack such as the Cellink B or NEO. While most of the top-tier dashcams have a parking feature, not all are created equally. For example, THINKWARE and BlackboxMyCar both use a feature called memory partitioning, which creates separate video folders in the SD card for different types of recording. This minimizes any overwriting issues when recording, as only the same type of files can overwrite themselves. For example, if an impact is detected, such as when the vehicle is hit and the built-in G sensor is triggered on the dashcam, the video will be marked as an event and only other files that are event files will be able to overwrite this. Parking mode can be separated into different types, such as motion detection, which activates recording when the video sensor detects movement, and impact detection, which activates recording when the built-in G sensor detects a shock. With the release of the flagship THINKWARE F800 Pro, there are now two additional types of configurations for parking mode recording: time-lapse and energy saving. Time-lapse recording. Time-lapse is ideal for those who will park their car in a busy area and know that motion detection will almost always be triggered. In this case, your memory card will fill up and your footage will be overwritten within a short period of time. To combat this, time-lapse mode instead takes 2 frames per second as opposed to 15 frames a second in motion detection mode. This reduces the amount of footage that needs to be recorded in the same period of time. As an example, 720 megabytes for 1 hour of front and rear video in the time-lapse mode equates to about 5 gigabytes of storage in regular front-rear motion detection parking mode. This will provide you with a lot more room and a lot more recording time. Number 2. Energy saving. Instead of being in always-on passive recording state, this parking mode option reduces power consumption by up to 1/3, providing 3 times more recording time as opposed to normal parking mode. The F800 Pro remains in a sleep state, and once the G sensor detects an incoming impact, the dashcam will wake up to record the next 20 seconds. What do we suggest? Our favorite brand of cameras that support parking mode is from THINKWARE. Companies lineup starting from the F100 all the way to the flagship F800 Pro all support parking mode with motion detection. THINKWARE also allows for buffered event recording, so if motion was to be detected, the dashcam will record the previous 10 seconds leading up to the event and 10 seconds after the event. Better yet, the feature allows footage to be saved in a separate folder in the memory card, allowing quick and easy access. Why is it important? Let's be honest. A lot of times door dings on a new car or even acts of vandalism are the absolute worst to deal with. Without any witnesses, these claims are not only hard to resolve with insurance companies, but could cost thousands of dollars in damages out of your pocket. This is also why it's a good idea to have your dashcam running when the vehicle is parked. For best results, pair up a dashcam with parking mode with a Cellink B or NEO battery pack, allowing longer parking mode recording times and less drainage on your vehicle's battery while parked.
Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment as we'd love to hear from you. Click subscribe to stay up to date with our new uploads and promotions. As North America's largest dashcam supplier, we're committed to keeping you safe on the roads. If you're interested in how our dashcams can protect you, please visit us in store or online today to take advantage of our great offers.